Today I will be reviewing Plarail's Railway Series Thomas. First, let's take a look at the details of the box. Here we have the Railway Series 80th Anniversary logo and the Mattel logo on the top of the box. There is a description of Thomas the Tank Engine. Did you notice? This box has no windows. Additionally, the blue color used is darker than normal. Let's take a look at the train you've all been waiting for. This is our WS Thomas. A large area. On the side is stickers. But the sticker details that look like oil paintings are cool. The back details are empty. The top side, there is a red line painted on it. Compared to the previous version, you can see that some of the black paint has been omitted. Additionally, you can see that the blue and red colors are different than they were before. Do these faces seem a bit similar? However, the face of the RWS Thomas is a new design. Now let's look at Annie and Clarabelle. The face is still sticker treated as before, but it still captures the distinctive features of the Railway Series. Side view. By comparing, you can see that gray lines have been added. The back details are empty. This is the top view. You can see that the color is slightly different compared to previous versions. You can also see that the body color is different. Now let's look at the mini book. This is a design similar to the Railway Series. The contents include character introductions. Now let's run it. Thank you for watching.